Today I'm sharing 12 adorable handmade business ideas you can start right from home even as a beginner. These ideas are easy, creative, and perfect for anyone who loves crafting and wants to turn their hobby into a small business. Let's get started. 1. Beaded jewellery. Create stylish necklaces, bracelets, and anklets using colorful beads and simple tools. Start by learning basic beading patterns from YouTube. Sell your pieces on Instagram, Etsy, or at local craft fairs with aesthetic product photos. 2. Thread artworks. Make unique wall decor using colorful threads wrapped around nails on wooden boards. Begin with simple designs and practice patterns. Share time-lapse videos or reels online to attract buyers on Instagram or Pinterest. 3. Handmade hair clips. Design cute resin, fabric, or pearl hair clips. Start by buying small supplies from local stores or online craft shops. Sell them in sets through Instagram shops or bundle them as gift items for festivals. 4. Scented candles. Make candles in jars or molds using soy wax and essential oils. Start small with a few fragrances to test. Sell through social media, pop-up stalls, or gift stores with attractive packaging and cozy product photos. 5. Macrame bag. Handcraft boho-style macrame bags using cotton cords. Watch tutorials to learn basic knotting techniques. Sell your creations online or at handmade markets, and promote them with aesthetic photos or outfit styling videos. 6. String arts. Create geometric or heart-shaped string art for home decor. Start with simple designs and experiment with colors. Use short tutorials to show your process and sell on Etsy, Instagram, or local art fairs. 7. Clay earrings. Handcraft cute polymer clay earrings in trendy designs. Begin with a small clay kit and oven. Take close-up photos of your earrings and sell through Instagram, online craft stores, or gift boutiques. 8. Handmade pouches. Sew fabric pouches for makeup, stationery, or travel. Start with basic sewing skills using a home machine. Offer custom prints or names and sell through Instagram pages or small local markets. 9. Ice candy. Make colorful fruit or milk-based ice candies. Start in small batches using home molds and safe packaging. Sell in your neighborhood, at school events, or through online delivery with fun flavors and branding. 10. Block printing. Create printed fabric items like tote bags, napkins, or cushion covers using carved stamps. Begin with simple block designs and cotton fabrics. Sell your handmade prints online or at eco-friendly local markets. 11. Pressed flower frame. Press and dry real flowers, then turn them into aesthetic wall frames. Start by collecting seasonal blooms and learning pressing techniques. Sell on Etsy, Instagram, or gift shops with nature-themed branding. 12. Handmade gift cards. Design personalized cards using paper, stickers, and calligraphy. Begin with simple birthday or thank you cards. Share your card-making process on Reels and sell in sets through online stores or craft fairs.